Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my video section in AWS Amazon. Today we will learn a new concept called the CRR or the cross-region replication. So what's the cross-region replication or the CRR? The cross-region replication automatic enable asynchronous copying of the objects across the buckets in different AWS regions. Let's start to give a real example about the CRR. So now we have the server of Netflix. The server Netflix has many movies accessed by many different persons around the world. Otherwise, all server of Netflix in the AWS cloud. Also the AWS cloud in different continents or in different regions. In this case, to avoid the latency to access in this movie, we use the CRR or the cross-region replication. We need to upload the new movie in the Netflix server, and this movie will access by user around the world. So in this case, we'll copy this movie around the Netflix server. Or another way to say, we will copy this movie around the AWS region because the all Netflix server already in AWS cloud. So in this case, we will use the CRR or the cross-region replication by uploading this video or this movie in the United States, for example, and enable the CRR or the cross-region replication automatically will copy this movie around the AWS regions.
Hello again, I will show you now how to enable the CRR in the bucket or in the object. So we need to go in the S3 firstly. After that I need to create two buckets in different region. Okay, so I will create for example bucket, for example is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so first one I will put it in the Frankfurt, okay, and create just from here in the default configuration. After that create another one, for example Husam 567, okay, but in another region. For example I will put it in the example in the London, okay, in the London. So create. So now the two buckets already create. So now I need to upload some pictures in the bucket number 1 in the Frankfurt and enable the CRR. After we enable the CRR, the all content in the Husam 1 2 3 4 will in the another bucket in the London. So let's start to access in the this bucket, okay. After that I will upload some pictures, okay, add files. So I will upload this one and this one, okay, and this one and 3, okay. Next, okay, next, upload. Now all pictures already now uploaded. So just one point, we need to make it public. As you can see, the make it public we cannot because the need the priorities here. So I will go here, okay. Sorry, in the permission, because in the permission are block all the buckets. So now I need to edit, okay, and check this one, save, okay, and confirm. So now come back again to my buckets, okay, in the overview, okay, and make it as public, okay. I make it public, okay. After we make it public, now I need to go in the in the management, sorry, in the management, and go in the replication, okay. So I will put this the replication and get start from here. So now he asked me we should enable the versioning. So if you want to enable the CRR or the cross-region replication, you need to enable the versioning. So now I will I will enable from here. Okay, enable versioning. So now he said the set source. The set source, you can set the source all bucket or all content in the Husam 1 2 3 4, okay, or specific tags. If you for example, I have in this bucket 4 picture, but I need to share just 2 picture. I will check here. If you want to share all the buckets or all contact all the buckets, so just keep in this one. Here he asks you if you want to encrypt your objects, so no need. Okay, next. So here select the buckets. Select the buckets. As we can see, we have the bucket in the London. So okay, this one. Okay, so here also we need to enable the versioning. Okay, I will enable the versioning. So here ask you to change the storage class, so I will put in the default. Okay, no problem. So here he asked me the I am rule. We need the I am rule, so no problem. So here we have so we will create a new one, no problem. For example, Hosam 1 2 3 4 rule example. So the states must enable. Okay, after that, okay, save. Okay, as you can see now, the RR, the CRR, sorry, already enabled. So if you want to delete it or edit from here, okay, or the action if you want to disable it, okay, so no problem. So now we need to come back in my bucket. As you can see, we have the 4 or 3 images. So we need to see these 3 images in the second bucket in the London, as you can see here. So now just refresh. Okay, as you can see, we don't have any picture. So what's the problem? The problem, there is no problem, just because we upload this picture before enable the CRR. So now I need to delete it and upload it again. Okay, I will upload it again, these pictures. Okay, so add files. So for example, I will choose this one and this one and this one example. Okay, and upload it in the default configuration. As you can see now, the all pictures already now uploaded in the first bucket. So now we need to go in the second bucket if this picture already uploaded in the London or not. So let's go in the bucket. Okay, in the bucket, this one in London. Okay, so now I will, as you can see, I have these 3 pictures. If you want to access to this picture, for example, I will see this picture. Okay, open it now. Just to make the public as public. Okay, no problem. Okay, just from here you can go here and all selection all and make it as public. You cannot make it as public. Why? Because we have this permission here, the problem here. Okay, so now I will edit. Okay, okay, and save and confirm. Okay, after that, go in the overview and selection all, go to the make public. Okay, and make public. After that, I will access to this picture, for example, and just from here now I can see this picture. For example, I will go in the second one example. From here I will choose this one. Okay, all you need just to copy this one. Okay, so this is the second picture. So this is about how to enable the CRR for any content, even video or picture or large data. You can store in the S3 and copy this content in another region. Thank you so much for your watching and consideration. See you in the next video.